Okay, so I really wanted to film a vlog today, but the boutique, it was just not giving. Like, it wasn't working with me because even though they did have the new Coco Beach collection, they received such limited pieces of everything and they had not ordered quite a few pieces from the collection. So everything, like the majority of the collection, had already been sold out, especially the swimwear, which is usually like the item category that is the most in demand from Coco Beach, obviously. And yeah, but I was successful. I have finally, after 4 years of hunting down a Chanel swimsuit, I was finally successful and I finally have a Chanel swimsuit. Yes, I know it was a first world problem to have, but it literally took me 4 years. And I would say that, firstly, I live next to a Chanel boutique. And secondly, I would say that I have a good relationship with my SA. So the fact that it took me 4 years to get a Chanel swimsuit, to me, it sounds absolutely crazy. And so, to all the people that are talking about luxury dying, have you ever tried to get a swimsuit from Chanel? Because let me tell you, it's a challenge. And so I'm not talking also, guys, I'm not talking about like the crazy ones that are like double, triple the price of a regular Chanel swimsuit, or like some crazy designs with, I remember they had like this swimsuit with a hoodie and like all of those. No, I'm talking about like the timeless, beautiful, classic Chanel swimsuits. They are always out of stock. Like they are nearly impossible to get. So even though I didn't get the one that I really, really like the most from this particular collection, I did get one that I think is still absolutely beautiful. So here we have the bag. I picked up two pieces. This is the first time I am seeing the packaging of the swimsuits. And so we have like a little, what is this pouch made of? I have no idea, but it's a little black pouch, and we have a little CC, which has black in black crystals. I can't talk. It's a spontaneous unboxing video, so I'm a little bit bad with words. I feel like Kevin from The Office. I literally can't speak. But anyway, so let's open the swimsuit. So I was torn between two colors, pink and gold. And so gold was more on the safe side for me because it's a neutral, and pink was more adventurous, but at the same time, like the pink, it just gave this like, it gave this life to that swimsuit. So it was really hard for me to choose. But me being me, okay, there's a lot of packaging. Okay, are we ready? So as I was saying, me being me, I went for the neutral. But I think that this is really such a timeless swimsuit. I think I can wear this in 10, 20, 30 years for as long as I'm able to fit in it. This is just going to be one of those timeless pieces that will never go out of fashion. And so I wasn't sure about the pockets at first. So let me show you. This is the swimsuit. It's a one piece. We have the little crystal CC in the front. It sparkles beautifully in real life. And then it has this like white trim. And after the white trim, it has a gold trim. And I think that the gold trim is absolutely beautiful. This is the piece that has the pockets in the front. And that was the part that I was really the most unsure about, because I feel like pockets around my waist, aren't they just going to make me look bigger, you know? I don't really want to amplify my waist when I'm in a swimsuit, but when I put it on, I actually thought that they kind of look cool. Like, it just made this piece a little bit more special. So in the end, it was actually what I liked about the swimsuit the most. Okay, not the most, because I love, like, I appreciate all the little details about it. But yeah, I kind of really fell for the pockets. They just make the swimsuit a little bit different from all the other, like, one pieces that are basically in the same style of black and then some kind of color trim. you know. But the star of this swimsuit is definitely the back. I think that the back is absolutely stunning. So we have, okay, how many times have I said stunning in this video already? Yeah, so in the back, first we have this little CC crystal detail, which is very cool. I believe that actually you can open it. Yes, so you can open it just like this. Let me show you from both sides. This is how it opens, but it fits me even without opening it. And what I love about it the most is how low, like the bottom of the swimsuit is. So this really covers you like a brief bikini bottom, and it doesn't give you that like big, like, I don't even know how to like really explain it. I'm going to insert a picture on how this swimsuit looks on the model, but basically from the back it kind of looks like you're wearing a two-piece, and I think that that is so cool. And the fact that you can just, like, if you're tanning your back, you can just open this and you know, you keep your swimsuit. Why can't I like remove it? I have not figured out the technology yet. Okay, there we go. So you can open it like this, and then you can just like completely tan your back if that's what you want to do. I mean, sometimes, I don't know, sometimes maybe I can see myself doing that. So I really appreciate this option. And it's like, it's such a little detail, but I think it's cool. So this is the swimsuit. I got it in size 40. I don't know why am I looking at this, because there is no sizing on this, but I just know that, yeah, I got it in size 40. I could have also gone for 38. I'm pretty sure. I didn't try it on in 38, but I'm pretty sure it would have fit me as well. And I chose to go for 40 just because my weight fluctuates. And because this is an investment piece, I don't know if at one point I gain a little bit of weight, I still want to be able to enjoy this swimsuit. Right now it fits me just right. Like, I think it fits me perfectly, but I also think that it's going to fit me very, very well, even if I go like one size up. If I go one size down, I don't think so, but the likeliness of that happening is yeah, it's very low. So yeah, that's kind of what I like to do with my swimsuits. I like to have the opportunity to, you know, still keep wearing it even if I get a little bit bigger, because I mean, listen, things happen, and sometimes we need to focus on just eating good food on holiday even if that means going up in size for the holiday, for the duration of the holiday. But anyway, so after I picked up this swimsuit, I wanted something to complement it. So here I have item number 2. I don't know, I just felt like with that swimsuit, I didn't really have anything that could be like a beach cover up, or just something, I don't know, just something was missing. I felt like I needed something to add to the swimsuit for like a full Chanel summer look. And so my SA found something very, very pretty, something that matches this swimsuit so perfectly. So let me show it to you. Everything is so beautifully packaged, I almost feel bad unboxing it. So this is a classic Chanel silk scarf. Let me just put away all the packaging. So this is what the scarf looks like. It has this like CC, what is this, like chain print in this like darker gold color, beige color, and the base of it is black. And then we also have these white camellias. And did you notice something about this scarf? Something very similar to the swimsuit. It's the exact same color palette. So this has black, beige, well, gold beige, potato, almost same. It's beige but shiny. That's what gold is in my head. So we have black, beige, and white. and black, beige, and white. And so I thought that these two are going to look so beautiful together. It is not really like technically an actual beach cover up, but I feel like I can definitely use it as a beach cover up. I tried it on at the store on top of my jeans and it looked a little bit funny, but listen, envision it with me, guys. Okay, I think that it's going to look very good just because the colors, I think they are just perfectly matching. It's a super matchy situation, and I love it more than a beach cover because it's more versatile. Like a silk scarf, there are so many ways to wear a silk scarf. I could do like a little like a situation like this, of course, significantly better than that. The way I demonstrated it, it was absolutely horrible. But like something around my hair, or I can also just, I don't know, if there's a little bit of wind, I can put it on my shoulders. I just covered the microphone. You're gonna probably hear that. So yeah, I can cover my shoulders. And then of course I can tie it around my hips like I tried it on at the boutique. And then of course there is the way how you can fold it in half and then just wear it like a top. This is my least favorite option, but it is a possibility. So, I mean, I think this is my first or second ever silk scarf. So I am very excited to have this. I feel like this is very classic, like the Chanel motifs, the camellias, like this silk scarf literally screams Chanel. And in combination with the swimsuit, I think that they're just going to look so good together. So these are my newest additions from Chanel. I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm going to put the vlog before the video or after the video, like some of the bits and pieces that I filmed. So if I already put them, then thank you so much for watching. If not, then I hope you enjoy the vlog part of the video. As always, I hope I'll see you again soon and stay safe, everyone.